Ended up at a house in the hills with some Hollywood stars, kissing on a blonde in a backyard pool, out where the wild things are. At the end of that summer, but I knew he'd never leave. Oh, its heart's on fire and crazy dreams. Oh.